What does it mean for you, O Muslims of Zanzibar? How do you distribute peace in Zanzibar so that you enter Jannah in peace, as was the promise? Here are some suggestions. We don't want Zanzibar to only be known for its beautiful beaches and clear waters and exotic spices and beautiful markets. We also want Zanzibar to maintain the beautiful reputation that you have built for yourself, that Zanzibar is that place that will greet you with salam, whether you are a familiar face or otherwise. Ayyul Islami khair. They asked the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what aspect of Islam is best? They said to him, he replied, أن تقرأ السلام أن تطعم الطعام وتقرأ السلام على من عرفت ومن لم تعرف. He said the best part of Islam is for you to distribute food and to give salam, peace, for those you know and those who you do not know. But what type of salam am I talking about? Be careful here and take note of this. When you say Assalamu alaikum, you are giving a promise. You are giving an agreement that you will be safe from my harm. When I say Assalamu alaikum, this is a contract that no grief will come to you from me. So it doesn't make sense that I say Assalamu alaikum and then I cheat or I defraud you or I sell you a faulty good or I overprice you or I drive recklessly or I push out alcohol or drugs into the community or backstab you or cut off my relationship with you, especially if you are family. I have said Assalamu alaikum. That is a promise that you will have peace from me.